If you've ever Zoomed with Smarty, you know that you always go to meetsmartytherealtor.com/go. This is using a strategy using short codes to get you into my personal Zoom room. This is a great way to introduce you and all your people you work with. So in the case of like my master classes on Fridays for my ProEdge chatbot customers, we always go to meetsmartytherealtor.com. One-on-one sessions with me where I help realtors with ad strategies and creating ads and all kinds of stuff. Always go to meetsmartytherealtor.com. What this is using is a URL shortener and the personal meeting room inside of Zoom, bringing the two worlds together so you create a seamless experience for the people you're meeting with. So let's get busy. Let me show you exactly how this is set up. We're going to use a favorite tool of mine for shorteners called Rebrandly. You could use Bitly or another shortener out there, but I like Rebrandly, and they have a free version, so I've never had to pay for Rebrandly. I have some great shorteners that I use in my business. So let me hop over and show you how to set this up. Okay, over here, I'm going to be using one of my favorite tools, as I mentioned, Rebrandly. Just go to rebrandly.com. It'll take you to their website. On their website, you sign up for free here. If I go to the pricing plan, I've been living on Rebrandly for years on the free plan because it allows you to have up to 25 branded links a month. So in here with custom domains and stuff. If you have more than one domain, you may want to pay other plans. So you can get away with the free plan for what I'm going to show you here. Once you sign in, you come into Rebrandly on the website. The first thing you're going to do is go to domains. So you need to pull in your domain into Rebrandly. So you can go over to any site to buy a domain. I use GoDaddy. So I went into GoDaddy and I purchased the zoomwithsmarty.com as my domain. So that's mine. And then I pulled it in. There's a new domain here. And you could actually buy a domain from Rebrandly, but if you connect one you already own, you just type in your domain here and say next. What they're going to have you do is they're going to have you put in some code in the DNS record over on GoDaddy, so it validates that you own that domain, and then you're ready to go. So I have 3 different domains here in Rebrandly that I use, and then I have my links. So a link is over here. You create your link over here with a button, say new link, and you can just see all the different links I have. So if I come down here, I use it pretty liberally. I use it for all kinds of stuff, sending people into affiliate codes and so forth. And one towards the bottom here, let me just see where here it is right here, zoomwithsmarty.com. I've had 5,242 people click that link. That's a lot of meetings over the last couple of years. All my master classes and one-on-one meetings with my clients, I've had over 5,000 interactions with people through Zoom during the COVID years, and now in 2023, everybody knows Zoom Smarty the Realtor or zoomwithsmarty.com/go. So what you're doing is you're going to say new link. And in here, you're identifying your destination URL. So this is where on the link, you're going to identify where is this thing going. So what you're going to do is if you come over to Zoom, this is my Zoom account, and you come down to meetings on the menu here. In Zoom, you have what's called your personal meeting room. So you can create your personal meeting room that has an ID. And then in the personal meeting room, you're going to copy this right here, this link here. And that's what we're going to put inside of inside of Rebrandly. So I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste my personal meeting room here. And then what you're doing is you're going to identify in Rebrandly what domain do you want to tie it to. So I'm going to do zoomwithsmarty.com, and then this is what's called the slash tag. So in my case, I have the word go, but you could say meet or whatever. So zoomwithsmarty.com/meet. And then I hit create. So now I have a new site. So if I copy this here and somebody goes in and they paste that in, it's going to open up Zoom and start a Zoom meeting with me. So this is now the URL I'll share with people. And with that URL, I could easily pass it out to people when they want to meet with me. So now I already have the go, so I'm going to delete this one because I don't need 2 of them. But in this case, that is how you do it. So go ahead and set up your Zoom short links. Use Rebrandly. It's free. You can pull in your domain, and now you start passing it out to each and every person you want to meet with. I hope you enjoy this, and this is just one of many videos where I show technologies, tips, and tricks and strategies to grow your real estate business. Enjoy.